Hello everyone, it's Miss Courtney and welcome back to Friday Fun. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be using a stove, so you will need an adult's help with this activity. You will also need a pot to boil water in, 2 cups of water or whatever amount your gelatin says on it. So each box of gelatin, mine says it needs 1 cup of water. I'm using 2 boxes of gelatin, so that means 2 cups of water. You'll also need a spoon or a spatula would work as well. You'll need gummy worms and then a heat-safe bowl that we will be pouring our Jell-O into later. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put our water into our big pot, and then we are going to bring it to a boil. So I'll be right back when this is boiling. So our water is now boiling, and I'm just going to add in both of my packs of gelatin. And I chose orange gelatin to give this more of a Halloween spooky look to it, but you don't have to use orange gelatin. You can use whatever color works best, or what flavor you like the best. I also like orange, so over there. And I'm going to use my spoon, and I'm just going to carefully stir it around until all of the Jell-O has dissolved. And when you think it's all dissolved, you can turn your heat off on your stove. I think mine is fully dissolved. So I'm just gonna move my pot over so it's not on the hot burner anymore. And we're gonna let that cool for just a minute. And what we're gonna do is I open my gummy worms, and we're going to put some gummy worms into the bottom of our pan, or the heat-safe plate or bowl. And you can lay them however you want. They can stand up, they can stick to the sides of your dish if you press on them a little bit. Kind of looks like when you see worms on the sidewalk after it rains. Okay, and then we're going to very carefully take our Jell-O mixture and we're going to slowly pour it on top of our worms here. And if there's any Jell-O mixture on the bottom, you can try and scrape a little bit of that out into there too. Okay, now we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes so it can cool down a little bit, and then we're going to put it into our fridge for a few hours until the Jell-O is set all the way. So we'll be back when that's ready. So we're back. Our Jell-O is set. It's very solid. I can't stick my finger through it all the way. And what you're going to need is you're going to need some tongs. And what you're going to do is you're going to try and dig out those worms. So this is just a fun sensory activity. You can use tongs if you want to. You can also dip your hands in there until you get all your worms out. It's really up to you, but it's a lot of fun. And you get a little gross, but it's all edible. But I hope you guys try this at home. If you do, leave a photo or a video down below so we can see what you guys are up to. Otherwise, thank you for joining me for Friday Fun, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!